video. I am Debbie. In today's video, I have an unbagging from Paint Someway. I want to thank Paint Someway for sending this to me for review. I have unbagged from this company before and have actually completed some of the paintings, and I really do like them. This is a discount company, so it's perfect time of the year if you would like some type of stocking stuffer, or if you know someone that you think might be interested in diamond painting, maybe it's yourself, and you don't want to spend a lot of money because you want to see if you like it, I would definitely check out a discount company, and this one's a perfect one for you to look at. So let's see what I have gotten. I'm going to go ahead and move this bag out of the way. Okay, I actually have 2 canvases and 1 off the canvas. And what this is, it's a little rubber mat. And this is purple because purple is one of my favorite colors. And what you can do is stick this on your desk or on your surface. And maybe you like to use an easel. You can put this on your easel. It does not stain in any way or stick to it. It will adhere, but then it comes right off. There is sticky on those sides. And then you just put your container or you put your tray on this. And so that way you can have your tray close to you, even if you have your easel elevated. And so it's nice if you do that, so you will have your tray close by and you're not going to have your drills falling out everywhere. So there is that one. And then I have 2 canvases that I thought were really pretty. I'm needing my scissors on this. My cat just jumped on the table, so you heard a little noise there. Okay. Oh, let me see. This one is extremely thin. It's very unusual for this to be so thin. And the actual cover here, this opaque covering, it is just hanging on. It's okay. There's not any, I don't know, let me get some scissors there. That was just where it was sealed. I'm going to take this off so it's not sticking to my table. This is, I thought it was really pretty. It is a butterfly, but it is also reminds me of stained glass. There are 30 colors here. It is a round. It's a 30 by 30. You do receive a toolkit. It has a boat. It has a plate of the pink wax. It has a pin with a squishy, with a single placer and a 2-placer on the other end. And it also has tweezers. And if I recall, these tweezers are the sharp ones, but I'm going to open it just to see. They're pointy, but they're not extremely sharp. I don't like how it just has this little piece here, this little plastic piece. I don't like how it has that, and you just have to put it on to close it. I don't use these anyway, but they may come in handy for some of you. There's also a 7-placer in here. That is a thin placer if you like to multi-place. I want to see, this is really good and sticky, but I'm concerned about the canvas. This canvas is super thin, and it's very, very unusual for this company to be like this. It also goes all the way over into the schematic here with the actual glue. But I will go ahead and when I start to do this, I will put some washi around it, so that will be okay. Here is the thumbnail, and it is going to be pretty. It's just very thin, but I will put this in a portfolio anyway. It's not something that I will leave out. And then here are the colors. Let's go ahead and open these. And I will say, with this company, with their drills, I have not had any issues. I've always had plenty of drills. The drills have always looked good. I've had very little trash. So that's definitely a plus. Let's see. I said this was a round. This is actually a square. And I have never done one of their squares. So this is going to be interesting. I'm glad that I remember now that I did get a square. I'm glad that I did order a square because I want to see what their squares are like. And here are some of the colors. That's a really pretty rose. There's a lot of purples in here. I think it's going to be really pretty. And I'm looking at the lighter colors. I don't see any problems with the drills. But to look at, this one is number 388. It's a green. It looks black on camera, but it's a dark green. I don't see any issues with the drills, but of course, you can never tell until you get started, right? These do have the number that's on the schematic. It also has the DMC number, and it has the quantity. This 1197, that's the quantity of the drills that's in this bag. I can't really tell on the static yet, but even if they don't have static now, it seems that whenever I go to kit up, there's been a lot of static. These are kind of, this one does have some static in it because I can see the way that it bounces whenever I move it. And they're just all in one big clump. That's a pretty rose. So I do think that this is going to be pretty. It may be a little challenging because it is a square, but I really wanted to try a square. This is 310. There's a lot of static in this one. Okay. Then we have some more purples here. And I'm sure you can see, but these do come in baggies. So if you don't like to kit up, this is for you. Or if you are trying to teach someone how to diamond paint, using baggies is the perfect way to get started because you're not spending a lot of money on containers and different things that you may want. Everything is in this kit, so you don't have to worry about purchasing anything else. But then once you get started with diamond painting, you really love diamond painting, then if you are like the majority of us diamond painters, you're going to want all the things. That's a really pretty green. I like that. And then we have a couple of peaches here. It's almost the same color. 967 and 157. Those look very similar. I'll have to keep an eye out on those. Then I have two other pinks. They look very similar as well. Then I have green, another purple, and then a dark purple here. And what I do with these is that I store my smaller kits like this that do not come in bags. Do not come in boxes, rather. I will store these in a portfolio for unused, ones I have not done. So I'll put those in that portfolio, and then this has a number on it here. This number corresponds, or it should, it doesn't on these. It does not correspond on these. A lot of times they will put them on the back of the containers, but what I'll do is that whenever I put these in a small bag, I will put this code on my bag. So I know that I can go to that, I can pull it, and then I know exactly where my drills are. For me, that's easier than trying to keep up with the drills and the kit together when I don't have a box to keep them in. So I'm going to move this one over to the side. I've been doing a few videos, and now my craft room is becoming a mess. Okay, so now I'm going to move this over. Find me a spot. Then I have one more. Let's see, where's the end? I'm just going to go ahead and open this like this. I don't see an end. I don't keep these anyway when I store them. They go into a drawer, into the portfolio, into a drawer. Okay, so now I have another special, and it is considered a partial. It is really small. This one's another one that's really thin, but not as thin as that one. Okay, this one is a 30 by 30, but the 30 by 30 is not the actual diamond painting section. It is all of this white as well. And this is all of the background. You do not diamond paint that. That's why it's considered a partial. But it is a Christmas wreath. And it has 15 colors. It also comes with a toolkit. You have your boat. You have your small little plate of wax or square of wax, and you have a pen with a single placer. And then you have all of your drills. This one won't take very long to do. I have ordered now so many small Christmas kits. I will not get to them all this year, but I may work on those in July for Christmas in July, to get some of these small ones done. I like the specials. I think they come out really pretty for small ones. So we do have silver here. We have, I'm gonna flip these over so you can see. We have a really pretty Christmas red there. And then we have some gold, yellow gold there. There's some more purple. And these are hard to see because of the way that they're in the bags. Really pretty Christmas green, more green, there's more gold, and then we have these little teardrops. We have green there, and then we have some red. These remind me of buttons, red buttons. We have one silver or clear there. It looks almost like a crystal. Then we have some little pearls, some more red. These are what I like to call raindrops, teardrops. And then we have some pink ones there, and then another yellow. And these remind me of like yellow little ornaments or yellow little balls. So I think this will be really pretty too. And some of these are really small because if you look at on here, if you're looking at like this little gingerbread house, it's really small. So I do like to use a light pad for this, which it makes it easier. But you have candy canes on here. You have these little bells. And you do not diamond paint inside the bells, just on the outside here, around the background of the bells, the outline of the bells. And then you have some more little gingerbread cookies here. So I think this will be really cute to do. My daughter might even like this. She loves the small ones. She loves Christmas. So I may see if she wants to do this, and then we can hang this in her room. So this is what I have gotten. I'm going to go ahead and recap. I have the stained glass, which is a butterfly. I have the wreath. And then I have this little holder. So that is my finds for today. Once again, thanks so much to Paint Someway for sending this to me for review. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you found something that you enjoy as well. I will include the information below underneath the description where you can locate these 3 items along with other items that they have. So take a look and see if you find anything that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you like this video, please click on the like comment. That really does help me immensely with YouTube. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.